Hey guys, SUYOON here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unwrapping off-white Ikea keep-off rug. I bought this 3 weeks ago on the day of its drop. I think it dropped May 10th. I drove there early in the morning to the Ikea and I got myself a wristband that kind of guaranteed me to pick this up and brought it back home and kind of left it as is till I could film this. I've been dying to unwrap this so I could show it on video. So let's get started. Now this rug retailed for about $4.99. I personally went to Ikea in New Jersey, which had a 3.5% tax, so it's comparably significantly less than a lot of other Ikeas out there. But still, nonetheless, it was a lot of money for the rug. Let's get open. Like a zip tie here, so I'm going to cut that off. The rug came in this cloth with the keep off writing, and it has Virgil with copyright 2019 written on it. And again, it was the collaboration with the Ikea art event 2019, artist being Virgil. On the cloth itself, it also has some information tag that lays out that it's 200 by 300 centimeter or 6.7 feet by 9.10. Trying to make sure I don't damage the rug itself. It's wrapped, pretty much shrink wrapped, like this plastic here. And as soon as I open, I'm guessing that it's gonna just unfold and just roll out. There we go. Pretty large rug. I tried to make it so the keep off come off right, so let me just turn this around real quick. So here we are. Here's the Persian style rug for off-white. Right in the middle there's a keep off writing in off-white color. On the corner here it has Ikea, again kind of with their flooring and copyright 2019 with Virgil's name on it. It came with this piece of paper with a lot of different languages. And it actually says vacuum and rotate the rug regularly. The new wool rug shed naturally. From what I understand, this is 80% wool. So it is going to be shedding a little bit in the beginning, but here we are. It's pretty nice color. I thought it was going to be darker black, but it's more like a gray color in person here, and it's actually significantly bigger than I expected. There was about 3 or 4 other rugs that dropped with this keep off rug. There was other collab that Ikea did with different artists. But most of the people went for this off-white rug, and there were about 200 stock from what I understood from the Ikea that I went to. When I got there, I was number 103. I was about 2 hours early from the opening time, and then there were still people coming in, but I don't think by the time it fully opened we had 200 people. So I heard some people who was originally in the front of the line bought their rug, went back online, and actually was able to get second and third. Again, as I stated earlier, this was about $4.99. With tax, I think I paid about $5.15, $5 something. But I know on StockX you could buy this rug, and it's currently reselling well over $1,300 bucks. So those who are holding on to it, could definitely make a big profit, and I've seen others who bought multiple rugs for resale purposes. For myself, I'm personally going to keep this. I think I said this even before I saw the resale prices and everyone going crazy over it. I said I'm going to keep this for sure. Now I don't know where I'm going to keep it in my house and how I'm going to use it. I've seen very creative way that people have displayed this, whether it be on the floor, whether it's been mounted on the wall. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. So it's going to be something that I'm going to have to think about, and I'll be sure to come back and show you guys how what I decide to do with this. That being said, I know again I was 3 weeks late on showing this content to you guys, but I'll try to be more prompt with the current drops. And I know there's going to be other off-white rugs that's coming out. I'll try to get those as well. But I'll give you guys a closer look on this rug, and then we'll wrap it up.